Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about a very underrated feature of Excel that many people are not aware of. It is called Advanced Filter. Most users know how to use the basic filter, but very few are aware of the Advanced Filter option. Basically, it is used to extract specific data based on certain conditions. Let's say we have a data set related to property sales. It includes the agent's name, the date the property was listed, the area in square feet, the listing price, the number of bedrooms, the size of the bathroom, the type of property, whether it has a pool or not, and whether the property is sold or not sold. Now we want to extract only specific data from this list. We can do this in many ways, like using pivot table or the basic filter, but the advanced filter is the easiest and most efficient method. Let's begin and see how to use it step by step. To start, copy the headings of the fields you want to filter. For example, if you want to filter based on agent, go a few rows above the dataset and paste the heading agent there. Suppose we also want to filter by area, then copy that heading too. You can use one condition or multiple conditions together. For example, you can also include square feet and sold status. Now enter your criteria under each heading. For example, under agent, write the agent's name exactly. Under area, write the location name. Under square feet, you can write a specific number or a condition like greater than 1,000. For sold, you can enter false if you want to filter only unsold properties. So here, I have entered only one condition for now. Now, click on any cell inside the dataset. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Under the Sort and Filter group, you will find the Advanced Filter option. Click on Advanced. As soon as you click, the entire data range will be selected automatically. Next to the criteria range, click the arrow and select the range where you entered the conditions. After selecting the range, press Enter and then click OK. You will now see that the filtered data appears based on the criteria. It shows the agent's name, the area, and the sold status, all exactly according to the conditions we set. You can also add more conditions. For example, add a second agent's name or another area under the respective headings. If you do not want to filter everything again, simply select any cell in the dataset, go to Advanced Filter, select the criteria range again, press Enter, and then click OK. The data will be filtered again as per your updated criteria. Now let me show you another use of Advanced Filter. First, remove the filter by clearing the data. This time, select the second option called Copy to another location. Once you select it, a new field becomes active to choose the target location. Now select the cell where you want the filtered data to appear. Press Enter, and then click OK. You may see a message that says, "You can only copy filtered data to the active sheet." That means you must copy it within the same worksheet. So once again, select your data, click on Advanced Filter, choose Filter the list, and then select Copy to another location. Now, select the Copy to field and choose a cell in the same sheet. Make sure everything is happening in the same worksheet. Press Enter and click OK. The filtered data will appear in the location you selected. You can now copy and paste, or even cut and move this data to another sheet if needed. So this is how the Advanced Filter feature works. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions related to this or anything about Excel, feel free to write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and come back again.